Hi Globetrotters, welcome to Travel English Pro. I'm Ruben. Today we will learn how to complain. I'll give you clear and easy phrases so you can get help quickly and politely. Let's start. So part 1, starting your complaint. Excuse me, I have a problem. I need to make a complaint. I think there is a mistake. So, step 2, saying the problem at a hotel. My air conditioner is not working. My key card doesn't open the door. There's no hot water at the airport or on a flight. My bag is missing. I checked it online. I couldn't print my boarding pass. The flight is very late. Part 3. Asking for help or a solution. Can you fix it, please? Can you help me now? What can you do to make this better? So part 4. If you're happy or if you're unhappy. If you're happy, a simple thank you for fixing this problem. If you're not happy, this is not okay. Or you want to escalate. I want to make a formal complaint. Can I speak to the manager? Part 5, ending politely. Thank you for your help. I appreciate it. So there you go. When you complain, you should stay calm. Be polite and clear. These easy phrases will help you solve problems. Let me know in the comments if you've ever had to make a complaint and what it was about. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, consider giving me a like and subscribing. This is Travel English Pro. I'm Ruben. See you in the next video.